हेलो एंड वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। करंट अफेयर्स क्विज 15 जुलाई। तो फ्रेंड्स, आप अगर यूपीएससी, पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन, पीएससीज और स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमीशन या आईबीपीएस, रेलवे इत्यादि गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स का इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग, देन फ्रेंड्स करंट अफेयर्स विल बी 20 to 25%। एंड करंट अफेयर्स का टेंशन आप लेना छोड़ दें। आई विल ब्रिंग यू ऑल द न्यूज ऑफ द करंट अफेयर्स एंड वीकेंड्स पे क्विज। तो ये 15 जुलाई का क्विज है, जो कि विच विल हैव 1 to 10 क्वेश्चंस। ठीक है। फर्स्ट वी विल रीड द क्वेश्चंस, देन वी विल आई विल गिव यू द आंसर्स ऑफ ऑल दोस क्वेश्चंस। एंड बिफोर गोइंग टू द क्विज, दिस इज अ ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन। आई एम राजीव रंजन झा, ex deputy commandant from CRPF. So friends, be ready with your pen and paper and the questions come one by one. मैं read करूंगा, then we'll discuss the answer. Okay friends, first question in your screen you can see who assumed the charge as the managing director and chief executive officer of Bank of Baroda. And your options are A. K. Rajaraman, B. Manoj Saini, C. Devadatta Chand, D. Saurav Avasthi. Question number 2. In which city was the 7th edition of the Japan India Maritime Exercise, that is GMEX 2023, conducted? And your options are A. Visakhapatnam, B. Chennai, C. Mumbai, D. Kochi. Question number 3. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the International Financial Services Centers Authority, that is IFSCA? And your options are A. Swaminathan, B. Rangarajan, C. K. Rajaraman, D. Suresh Kumar. Which of the following countries conducted Operation Border Sword to stop international shipments of illegal and dangerous drugs? And your options are A. USA and China, B. India and Germany, C. Russia and India, D. Japan and Germany. Question number 5. What decision did the GST Council announce regarding online gaming, casinos, and horse racing? Option A, 18% GST. Option B, 12% GST. C, 16% GST. D, 28% GST. Question number 6. According to the United Nations report, global public debt has reached approximately how much? A, $50 trillion. B, $70 trillion. C, $92 trillion. And D, $100 trillion. This is from the recent report. In the report has come in the month of July. Question number 7. Which country saw a remarkable reduction in the poverty with 400 million people exiting poverty within 15 years as per UNDP report? And your options are A. China, B. India, C. Indonesia, D. Vietnam. Question number 8. Where was the mega India Arab Business Partnership Conference held? A. Delhi, B. Mumbai, C. Kolkata, D. Chennai. Question number 9. What is the name of the rover in Chandrayaan 3 mission? A. Pragyan, B. Vikram, C. Vishal, D. Arjun. Last question for the day's quiz is, what award has Prime Minister Narendra Modi received from France, which is highest civilian award of France? A. Order of Paris, B. Order of France, C. Grand Cross of the Legion of Honor, D. Honor of France. So friends, now you can stop giving me your answers. We'll check one by one all the questions. So first question was, who assumed charge as the managing director and chief executive officer of Bank of Baroda? So here the option C, Devadatta Chand ji has assumed this charge. Bank of Baroda CEO. Question number 2: which city was the 7th edition of the Japan India Maritime Access GMEX? Remember this can be also asked as a question. Japan India Maritime Exercise name. So this question has two questions. GMEX conducted. So this was conducted in A. Visakhapatnam, which is in Andhra Pradesh, AP. Who has been appointed as the chairman of International Financial Service Centers Authority, IFSCA? So the answer to this question is C. K. Rajaraman. Very recent appointment. You have to remember the name. Which two countries conducted Operation Border Sword Name of the operation also you remember, very catchy name, Operation Border Sword, to stop international shipments of illegal and dangerous drugs. And the correct answer is none other than option A, that is USA and India. Question number 5. What decision did the GST Council announce regarding online gaming casinos and horse racing? So this GST Council's 50th meeting was done at New Delhi very recently. Okay. And a short video was released, and this here it was decided that option D, GST of 28% on online gaming, casinos and horse racing. So these online gaming companies are in much of trouble now. We move to the next question. According to the United Nations report, global public debt has reached approximately how much? This report was just in July. Okay, very recent report. And according to the report, 92 trillion the global public debt has reached. Okay, answer is C is correct. Question number 7. Which country saw a remarkable reduction in poverty with 415 million people exiting poverty within 15 years? 15 years was from 2004 to 2019. 415 million people means almost 41 crores. 41 crore. 41.5 crore. So the correct answer is none other than our own country, and we should feel proud of this because poverty has reduced. Okay. Question number 7, answer B is correct. Where was the Mega India Arab Business Partnership Conference held recently? So this was at Delhi. Option A is correct. Question number 9, very interesting. Recently, Chandrayaan-3 mission has started. What is the name of the rover in that? Rover in Chandrayaan-3. See, here the option A, Pragyan. This was in Chandrayaan-2 also. Chandrayaan-2 also, which was in 2019. You can have your running notes ready. 2019, it failed because we could not go for soft landing on moon. Soft landing on moon is the main purpose. And then the research of the moon. So soft lander will be Vikram is the lander. Landing will be done by Vikram. Same name. In 2019 also it was. And Pragyan will be the rover which will dig into the moon surface और वहाँ पे जानकारी लेगा. So you have to remember these 2-3 names. And here the option A is correct answer. ठीक है? And this will be reaching, that Chandrayaan-3 mission will be having a landing somewhere in the August 22-23. Okay. Now we move to the last question. What award has Prime Minister Narendra Modi received from France, which is highest civilian? It is not only civilian highest, it is civilian as well as the defense highest award also of France. And the name of that award is C. Grand Cross of the Legion of Honor. So this is also an award received by our PM, and Egypt also gave Order of Nile. Order of Nile to our PM very recently, but this was given by Egypt. Okay, and then what happens that this type of state honors means country giving any award हमारे Prime Minister जी को already 13th थे, then this was 14th, अब ये 15th हो गया है. So you have to remember. Thanks to Team Pariksha Sarthi for providing me all the good contents. Okay, friends, if this type of contents, actually I am selecting only say 10, 25, but this magazine is full of such need to know information. Bi-monthly magazine, price of each magazine is 20 rupees. Okay. And if you are interested in purchasing the magazine, you can contact at this given number 9950239676. I repeat it again, 9950239676. And to आप अपना करंट अफेयर्स का टेंशन हम पे छोड़ दें, सब्सक्राइब कर लें टू आवर चैनल SSC JHA Classes. We will bring you this type of interesting questions and quizzes and concept building also if and when required. So friends, I put an end over here. Good luck. Have a good weekend. We meet after the weekend. Thank you and good luck.